This week, a ton of new leaks about the DJI Mavic 4 Pro have surfaced. We now have the official product images, flight footage, and hands-on images. I'll show you everything you need to know about it in this video. Let's get into it. Let's start from the product images, leaked by Quadro News on X. They show the available versions of the drone, which will be the Fly More combo with 3 batteries and the standard combo with only 1 battery. Both kits will be available with 2 different controllers, the RC2 and the new RC Pro 2. This new remote will replace the first RC Pro, and as you can see, it's a lot different. The screen is not integrated in the body anymore. Instead, it's detached and adjustable, like the old DJI Phantom controllers. It also features larger and foldable sticks, along with a new dial. Let's move on to the other images we got this week, starting with some in-flight footage as you can see in this video, which was also leaked by Quadro News on X. We also have new hands-on images. This one in particular shows how the camera module can rotate sideways, allowing native vertical shooting with all the 3 lenses. There's new information about the release, which is now expected for May 13th, according by Hakasushi. There's still quite a long time for new leaks to come, so make sure you're subscribed to not miss the community posts with updates.